Hi, Islam here. I wanted to express with you a lot of different things today. So there are a lot of people ask me a lot of questions about even how I actually start my journey and how you can learn calligraphy easily. And there are a lot of materials that is very important for starting point. So I wanted to express a lot of different things in this video. So if you are very interested to learn about calligraphy, wanted to start your calligraphy journey and how actually I started my calligraphy journey, so I will express everything. So let's start. The first thing, when I was just a child, I started my calligraphy journey with a normal pen. I shared a lot of different times in news media, so I think you definitely understand and definitely know about the situation. So if you wanted to start your cursive calligraphy journey, so definitely you have to put it up all the different materials. You have to start your normal materials, normal pen, and that will definitely help you a lot to start your calligraphy journey. And I hope you guys understand. I hope brand is not a mandatory thing. If you are working with perfect structures, with perfect postures, so definitely you become the brand. So as a first thing, or as a beginner, when you started your calligraphy journey, please use a normal pen and start your calligraphy journey, understanding letters, capital letters or small letters, then understand word making and how you actually maintain the gap between words, sentence, how you can maintain your line. So that is a very different thing that as a first thing you need to understand as a basic thing. So in the first segment, I particularly wanted to express with you, if you are a beginner, want to start a normal pen and start first understanding letters, small letters and capital letters, start word making, and then start a line papers. Um, and then you can write a one-page writing. But first, I suggest you to start your calligraphy journey with line papers. Then after basic to advanced levels, you can use the normal different papers or normal map papers that is not line. So that is a very important thing I want to express with you, that started positions is a very beginning time. So if you are a beginner, so start a normal pen, and if you are in advanced level, so definitely you can purchase any kinds of different pens. That means you can use the deep oblique holder pens or other thing that definitely you can use. The first thing, start a normal pen. And the second thing I wanted to express with you, that a lot of people will hesitate to use the paper. So in Bangladesh, a lot of things are not coming towards in our country. There are a lot of different papers are not came in Bangladesh. So you have to use A4 size paper, and that is definitely help you a lot. So use 100 GSM A4 size papers, or in other brands 70 GSM papers, so that will help you a lot to write perfect structures and perfect angles. And A4 size papers, that's definitely help you a lot as a beginner. So you can use a lot of different arts papers that will help you also. So I wanted to express how you actually purchase any kinds of papers that will help you a lot. So that is going to be a very interesting thing, and I wanted to share, and how you actually become the master copper plate calligraphy or cursive calligraphy.